the Windmere Air Care Systems Personal Cooler Desk Fan. This originally sold at the Christmas tree shops, which I believe is long defunct, for $6.99, and it more recently sold at the local questionable Will thrift store for $4.99. This must be fairly old because fans have not been $7 for quite some time now. I have one of these, which is not in the box, but of course I wanted to have the box, and I like duplicates, so here we go again. I don't even remember if this was a good product or not. It is the model DF-71/36-8. Ideal for small office or bedrooms. 2 speeds, low-high control, whisper quiet operation. I find that hard to believe. Powerful self-lubricating motor, which is kind of interesting. Normally it says permanently lubricated motor, which is a total lie. This is actually accurate. As long as there's enough oil in the wicks, the motor is technically self-lubricating. Ultra modern design. I think that would probably put this styling wise 90s, early 2000s era maybe. The carrying handle, and that's all the features that it lists. Está en español también. The cord stores neatly in back of unit. Wave style grill for enhanced aerodynamics. Now that's a crock of baloney, because there is no way that a waved grill like that offers any kind of benefit to the aerodynamics. A circular grill I could see offering better aerodynamics, but not a wave style grill that is purely for aesthetics only. The ultra modern aesthetics, that is. This product is listed by Underwriters Laboratories. I think that this is actually new. It looks like somebody has forcefully and very poorly partially opened the box, which is kind of unfortunate, but it does appear to be unused. So let's more properly open the box the rest of the way, and then we'll be able to take a look at the fan itself. Alright, it's about to come out of the box, potentially for the first time in maybe 20 or 30 years. The Personal Cooler Desk Fan. Use and Care Book. I wonder what kind of ridiculous things are said in here. Well, this is a ridiculous format. Motor housing on back of fan. Keep free of lint and dust. Fair enough. Well, this is a very complicated thing to operate. Plug fan into electrical outlet. Turn fan on to desired speed. During the first few minutes of initial use, there might be a slight odor. This is normal and will quickly disappear. I'm guessing that odor must be the self-lubricating motor doing its initial self-lubrication. Alright, here is the fan itself. And it does appear to be unused, which is kind of neat. And for some reason there are pieces of tape holding this together. Here we go with too much tape again. We'll just leave that alone for now. So this, according to the informations, and there's the piece that we got to keep free of dust and lint. This is the electric fan model DF-71, made in the China, 0.35 the amps. And the UL certification is from the summer of 1999. So, yeah, late 90s, early 2000s era. And it does seem to be in pretty good condition. There's no yellowing that I can see. This must have been stored in a fairly reasonable environment. The blade still has all its luster to it. Doesn't appear to be too badly warped, but maybe slightly. The bearings might be kind of stiff though. That might be a problem. Alright, let's get it plugged in and see if it's going to the work or if the bearings are locked up. I think there's a good chance that the bearings are locked up, which is something we can fix, but it will definitely be a slight disappointment for the test. Okay, here we go. Move to the low. Yep, it is totally locked up. Looks like the self-lubricating motor is not lubricating itself. Let's see if it just needs to be broken free or if it's... Oh, wow. That is super, super stiff. Yeah, there's no way that is going to do any kind of operating without a full tear down and cleaning and relubricating of the bearings. Well, that is certainly somewhat disappointing, but the motor was drawing power and humming, so I have no reason to believe that we wouldn't be able to make this work again. Now, this is another example of how equipment does not like to sit. A lot of people think that putting something away, there's the cord storage area, and not using it preserves it, but in a lot of cases, things break down when they're not used. Equipment, just like people, should not sit idle. Equipment should be used. So we'll have to revisit this one. Maybe I'll revisit it at the same time I visit the other one, because I think the other one I never got around to cleaning and servicing yet either.